What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on XCN. So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin and what is the exact price or the exact setups that I'm currently watching here, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a daily time frame. I didn't make any video about this coin because for the past couple of weeks there were no good setups. Last really great setup was a liquidity grab in this case, from which we had absolutely perfect pump from that entry around 230% of a net market, and till then there really wasn't a good setup. But right now, on a 1 hour chart, we are having this important bullish order block, and it looks like that we are gonna retest it. This bullish order block is between levels 0.01413 and 0.01391. And the idea behind this trade is to wait for a liquidity grab with a support confirmation. So I want to see here a liquidity grab under these two previous important lows, and if after that there will be a support confirmation, this can be actually a great long entry. Keep in mind that these liquidity grabs are quite common, and you can see that, for example, here we had a liquidity grab and after that there was a pump around like 20% of a net market. So I'm speculating here for something like this. Also keep in mind that liquidity grabs on a coin like this are really often, so do not enter here a long position without that fake out and a support confirmation. On the other hand, the exact trade can then look like this. So stop loss you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. Last take profit targets you can place above this bearish order block, which will give you a trade with risk reward ratio around 7. This is in my opinion pretty good setup, especially the stop loss can be here much lower, which can give us much better risk reward ratio. But keep in mind that's also in this case you probably want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take under this first bearish order block area, then above this important high, which is level 0.01588, then for example above this bearish order block, which is level 0.01640, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target, which will give you from the risk reward ratio, let's say 8.8 with multiple take profit targets. This will be trade with risk reward ratio around 6, which is in my opinion still a really great setup. And if you, for example, want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. The reason why I want to take profits above this high and above this high is this bearish order block on a 12-hour chart, which is between level 0.01702 and 0.01530. This is in my opinion really important resistance, and once we will have here a support confirmation on this time frame, it will means that we are having back this really important support area first of all, and also that this coin is having also increased bullish volume. So you can open here a long position after, of course, you will close the previous one with a stop loss under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. And last take profit target in this case you can place, let's say, above this previous important highs, which will give you a potential trade with potential profit around 140% of a net market and stop loss around 11.2, which will give you risk reward ratio around 12.39. This is again really great setup. This setup is also really risky because we are speculating here on like 140% of a net market, but also keep in mind that this coin can do definitely moves like this. You can see that, for example, from like this low to this high we did a pump around like 2000% of a net market in just 13 days. And this pump that I was talking about had around like 230% in like 3 days, something like that. So we have this coin can do definitely moves like this. Also RSI is really undervalued because we are on the level 13.80. This is another reason why you should be long on this coin. But as I said, this coin can definitely dump more. So the only scenario in which I will be opening here a long position will be in case of that liquidity grab and support confirmation on the 1 hour chart, or a breakout with a support confirmation of this bearish order block on a 12-hour chart. And without this exact setup, I am not planning to open here any new trades. Let's now switch on a weekly time frame. You can see that on a weekly time frame, this coin is not that undervalued, because from this previous low, from the previous bear market, we are still up around like 1,790% of a net market. Also, on the other hand, we are still in an uptrend, so in the upcoming months I'm expecting we are gonna be on higher levels, but this coin is always consolidating or like dropping slowly, and then we are having here a huge pump, so that's something you don't wanna miss. Definitely let me know in the comments what is the exact price that you think this coin is gonna hit. For me, in the next bull market, we are still gonna take liquidity above this previous important high, so I really wouldn't be surprised if we will have here a profit from the current level around 650% of a net market, but also keep in mind that opening a long position on an altcoin like this can be really risky. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. As I said, definitely let me know in the comments what is the exact price that you are expecting this coin is gonna hit, and if you want to follow my analysis, then don't forget to join my Discord. It's completely free. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. So yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.